Received this from a company called Carefor, and it is a teeth whitening kit. The company sent this to me to try it out, and I've tried different whitening products in the past. Some are sensitive, some work, some don't. So I am excited to try this one out to see if it actually does anything. 14 treatments, so I'm going to start today, and then by the end of it, we are going to do a comparison and see if it made a difference to my teeth. As most people do, adult-wise, you drink products that stain your teeth, like coffee, and other things. As you get older, you brush your teeth, and it just seems like they just kind of stay yellow or dull or whatever you want to call it. Years ago, I had tetracycline for acne in my teen years, so it's caused some discoloration in my teeth. Not sure if this is going to fix it, but I am excited to get some whiter teeth than I have, and I'm sure this is going to do something. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box, and we'll try one on, and I'll give you my review. Okay, cool. So we have these, up to 14 treatments for the top and bottom teeth. Little strips you put on your teeth. You have a pen here. I don't know if it's before, after, or if you just want to use it temporary, but you can apply it on, leave it on for about an hour, and yeah, this is pretty cool. So it has everything we need to make our teeth white, so let's see if it actually does that. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna hold on to that. Tear open the foil packet, remove strips with dry hands, and peel away from the backing film. Looking in the mirror, fit strip, applying sticky gel side against your teeth. Line up with the edge of the gum and apply gentle pressure to mold and strip securely to the teeth.
Okay, I had on. I think I should like 30 minutes. So I will check back with you after 30 minutes, and we'll go from there. Sweet.
Okay, as you can tell, it's been a number of days since I've been using this product. I'm using it off and on, not religiously, because my life gets busy and I do drink coffee still. But I did see a difference in using this product, and it's definitely reasonable priced, and it didn't make my teeth sensitive at all, actually. My gums, nothing. I got a little more left. I'm going to continue doing that, but I just wanted to touch base with you guys and tell you that I do like this product. I recommend it, and if you guys like it, or if you want to check it out yourself, see the link in the description, and you guys can get yourself your own kit.